Delightful company, unraveling the charm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a wonderful phrase that you might come across in conversations, books, or movies: delightful company. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English. So, let's get started and unravel the charm behind this phrase together. Delightful company refers to someone whose presence is very pleasing or enjoyable to be around. The word delightful suggests a high level of pleasure, while company refers to the companionship or presence of someone else. When combined, this phrase emphasizes a person's ability to bring joy, entertainment, and happiness to others just by being around them. This phrase is often used in social contexts to express appreciation for someone's presence. For example, after attending a party, you might say to the host, "Thank you for inviting me. I found your guests to be delightful company." It's a polite and positive way to compliment someone's influence on the overall social experience. Tips for usage. Complimenting someone. Use it to compliment someone directly by saying, "You are such delightful company." Reflecting on experiences. Mention it when reflecting on social gatherings, meetings, or dates. Like, "Dinner with them was a delight. They were delightful company." Writing. This phrase can add a sophisticated touch to thank you notes, invitations, or social media posts. Let's look at a few examples to better understand how to use delightful company in sentences. My evening was made better by your delightful company. Her delightful company at the conference made the long hours seem short. We must do this again. Your family was such delightful company. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting seamlessly into various contexts to express joy and appreciation. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and utility of the phrase, delightful company. It's a wonderful way to express enjoyment and appreciation for someone's presence in your life. Try using it the next time you want to make someone feel valued and see the positive impact it brings. Thank you for joining us, and remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about the beautiful expressions that make conversations richer. See you in the next video.